Hey, how's it going, guys? Well, got something a little different here for you. So, we recently picked up this 2005 Chevy Silverado from an older gentleman. We call it. I think what we're going to try to do here is kind of make a little bit of a race truck. We got this name Project PawPaw Truck. It's a little kiddos. They like calling it the PawPaw Truck because the gentleman we got off of is a little older. But she's actually not too bad. She's got a few little spots there. The rockers, obviously we're gonna need to touch them up a little bit, but most of it's in pretty good shape. Kind of already started doing some things here to it. It had all the classic trims. It was an LT trim. We went and kind of debadged it, took off the little side pieces. Still got to get the stickiness off of there. Went ahead and picked up the HD hood and grill, or I guess the 2500. I don't know what that. Sometimes they get a couple different names for these, but yeah, I got it gives it a little more of a stance there. Still kind of debating whether or not we're going to repaint. We're going to repaint the truck because it's got this white paint. It's kind of peeling off, if you can see in some places there, whatnot. But we might either go white or make it black to match that and kind of redo it. But what we're gonna start on is kind of freshen up the front end. Got some different wheels, and I want to drop it. We got some Beltec drop spindles, and we're gonna do some upper and lower control arms and all the fun stuff, make it safe to drive and all that. So got some new shocks and all that. So yeah, I figured kind of introduce you to the old PawPaw truck here project and see what take you along on the journey. So well, let me get started in here and then just kind of update you on the way.